Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So the sun's out, concrete is in the ground on our driveway project. Kara, Jonathan, Angel, and Julio and I just finished cleaning up. Got all the tree trash in the truck, all that mess we had stacked up there. That's everything we pulled out. Straw down, forms pulled, concrete washed, decorative gravel raked, all our joints cut. Really nice sidewalk, got a good rake keeping it away from the house. Everything cleaned up back here. This was a 74-yard pour, including the back area. It's a little fresh here, but carrying out nicely. Everything else repaired. All that's going into our drain. Got our holes for our footers for our RV shelter that's going to go here. All our drain lines trenched to the back. And that's it. So call us if you've got any type of grading, any type or size of concrete work. We can handle it for you, get it right the first time, and stay with it. 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, keep pulling for our friends in Ukraine. They can do it. Thanks for watching.